We built our first app, and before we dive deeply into Nuxt, let me give you a preview on what you can actually build with it. Now you're going to tell me, yeah, Vue.js applications with server-side rendering, you did already say that. It's true, you can build universal apps, but you got more options. You can also build a single-page application with Nuxt, so no server-side rendering. You can disable that. It will just give you a normal Vue single-page application, and if you're wondering, why would I use Nuxt, then the next module will tell you, because Nuxt has more than just server-side rendering. This whole folders approach and working with just Vue components and folders, that really has a lot of benefits. And you can build a static app. Now what's the difference between all these things? Now for a universal app, the first view is dynamically rendered on the server, as I mentioned earlier. So after that first load, we're back in single-page application land, and our app is just a SPA then. This is already great for search engine optimization because we render the pages on the fly. It also has other benefits, like us simply returning the latest version of our application pre-rendered on the server, which might feel faster to the user, depending on how long the rendering takes. You can also build a single-page application. App starts in the client after the first load, so it's not pre-rendered. And the app always is just a single-page application. The cool thing here is, it's like a normal Vue app, but with the simplified development Nuxt.js gives you. The static app is maybe the hidden star, the hidden champion of Nuxt development. You can pre-render your views, so locally on your machine or on some build server, but they're not generated on the fly, but you actually generate a static page with just HTML, JavaScript, and CSS files. However, you pre-render that for all your content. The huge advantage is you have a static app, you don't need a node server for this, and you still serve pre-rendered pages. The downside, of course, is you always have to re-render them if your content changes, but this still is an awesome approach, and more on that, of course, at the end of this course. This is also great for search engine optimization, and it's also worth having a look at, but again, we will take a closer look at the end of this course. I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can build with Nuxt, and that it's not just about server-side rendering, though that really is one of its big strengths.